Hi, welcome to Bamfordrose and another question of the week. This week we'll follow on with V12 engines, and it's a common question at service, which is, should I change my spark plugs at year 7 service? The answer is dependent on a few conditions. One would be mileage. Anything less than 30,000 I wouldn't really be that bothered. The next is over 30,000. At service anyway, each annual service you should be looking at the real-time misfire display just to see that there are no misfires happening in the background that you can't feel as the driver. But certainly after 30,000 mile, each service does need to look at the real-time misfire report, and if there are evidence of any misfires that are present, then perhaps that's indication of a coil which is just exhibiting some misfires. And if that was the case, you'd look at coil and spark plug change at the same time. This is a big question because you've got to take the inlet manifolds off to gain access, and with the inlet manifolds off you can also have a look at the oil breather circuit, and the one-way valves on that are prone to failure also, and they contribute to causing a small misfire. So spark plugs, coils and the breather circuit, if have not been attended to individually and the car is greater than 40,000 mile, you'd look at the condition of all of those as one package of works. If the car is 70,000 mile and there are 0 misfire counts when you do a diagnostic check, even then I wouldn't jump to replacing the spark plugs. I'd take it year by year, and then maybe at 80,000 miles maximum draw the line then and change the spark plugs at that service interval. But should I change them or not, yes or no? The key is, what are the miles and what is the real-time misfire diagnostic report? What are the coils like? What the breather circuit like, and from all that information you can make a wider decision on what's the most efficient package of works.